how you can easily add Calendly to Webflow. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, log into your Calendly account. Now, look at the left panel and make sure you're in the event type section. Next, find the gear icon next to your event and click on it. Then click on Add to Website. You'll see three options: Inline, Embed, Popup widget, and Popup text. For this video, we'll use Popup text. Click on Popup text and make sure it's selected. Then click Continue. Now you'll see a piece of code. Click on Copy Code. After that, go to your Webflow account. At the top left, click the plus sign that says Add Element. In the search box, type Embed. Then click on Code Embed and paste the code you copied from Calendly. Now you can click Preview or just save it for later, and that's it. That's how you can easily add Calendly to Webflow